Hey everyone, it's me back at it again with unpacking stuff. I don't know why, but lately I've been making unboxing videos because, well, it's fun and I got a lot of new things that I really want to show my audience. So let's just get into it. I've always wanted this book. I kept having dreams about this. And my mom finally decided to buy this for me. I'm so excited to see what's inside, so let's check it out. Book is my favorite book now. I don't care if people call me childish. I don't think this is only for kids. People around me called me childish, and they always assume that DC is for kids, especially my parents. So it's pretty hard to be a fan of DC Universe in here. People call me a little kid every time I buy DC stuff. Anyways, I am in love with every single DC artist in this book. Their art styles are my references. Every time I read DC comics or DC books like this, I always fell in love with the way the artists draw every single thing in the comic. Not only the characters look amazing, but the story behind all of these characters always amazed me. And they always pay attention to details. That's why my eyes, they bless my eyes, alright? I will never stop loving this stuff till I die. Oh my god, I'm in love with this book. I'm crying. Like every single character, I didn't know they have almost 200 characters in this book. I'm amazed. I love this book. I'm gonna cry now. Oh my god. Thanks, Mom. Anyways, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. And if you're a DC fan, how many DC stuff / merch / comics do you have? Comment down below. And I will upload a new speed paint video next week, I think. I don't know. So stay tuned. Well, I hope you all have a nice day. See ya!